In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation on Google Slides. Google Slides is free, runs right in your browser, and makes it simple to build and share professional slides. Start by opening the Google Slides homepage and signing into your Google account. From there, you can choose a blank presentation or pick a template from the gallery if you want a head start on design. Google even highlights that you can create presentations directly from that homepage, so you're in the right place. When your file opens, you'll land on a title slide. Click where it says "Click to add title." Type your presentation name and add a subtitle if you like. Clear titles help your audience know exactly what to expect. Next, add more slides for your content. Use the plus button in the toolbar or press Ctrl+M on Windows or CMD+M on a Mac. You'll see your slides listed in the left sidebar, which makes it easy to reorder, duplicate, or delete as you plan your flow. Now begin adding content. Insert text for your key points and bring your ideas to life with images, charts, videos, tables, and shapes. To add an image, go to Insert, then Image. To add a video, choose Insert, then Video. Slides supports YouTube videos and uploaded images, so you can mix media seamlessly. To quickly level up the look, pick a theme. Open the theme panel on the right and choose a design style. Themes automatically apply coordinated colors, fonts, and layouts, and Google continues to expand its professionally designed options. If you want motion, add simple animations and transitions. Select text or an object, go to Insert, then Animation. For slide-to-slide effects, choose Slide, then Transition. Subtle choices like Fade in usually look most polished. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share in the top right, enter email addresses, and set access as viewer, commenter, or editor. Edits and comments happen in real time. To present, click Slideshow in the top right. Navigate with your arrow keys or mouse and use Presenter View with speaker notes and the laser pointer to stay on track. Finally, to export, go to File, then Download. Save as PowerPoint, PDF, or image files like PNG and JPEG. Slides works well with PowerPoint for easy handoffs. For better results, keep slides simple. Use large text, around 30 point for titles and 24 point or larger for body. Choose high-quality images, and stick to one main idea per slide to keep your message clear and memorable.